Welcome to our guide on making video calls on Discord with the latest update. If you've been looking to connect face-to-face with your friends or colleagues through Discord on your PC, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, head over to the Discord website, download it, and sign in to your account. The interface is user-friendly, and you'll be ready to go in just a few clicks. Next, navigate to the chat or server where you want to initiate a video call. You can choose a specific friend from your direct messages or gather in a voice channel within a server. This is where all the fun begins, as you can connect with others and share those important moments or casual conversations. Once you're in the right place, look for the Start Video Call button. This option is located at the top right corner of the chat window or within the voice channel interface. Just click on it and Discord will automatically establish the video call connection. You'll soon see your friends' faces pop up on your screen, ready to chat and interact. Remember, if you're using a webcam, make sure it's connected properly. Also, check your microphone settings to ensure everyone can hear you. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy face-to-face conversations on Discord. Whether it's for gaming, meetings, or just catching up, video calls on Discord are a great way to stay connected. Don't forget to make the most of your next video call experience. Thanks for watching, and happy calling.